Good Friday. Hello, everyone. Welcome on Good Friday. Yes. In today's newspaper on Friday, March the 29th, 2024, we have three regular puzzles. One of them I've already solved, and it's the 3-star Sudoku. So two puzzles are left, the Killer Sudoku and the 4 Stars Sudoku. In today's newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening. But this afternoon I will do these 3 regular puzzles. And this 4-star Sudoku will be number 8269. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This puzzle has 25 printed digits. Should be at 3 stars because 3 stars puzzles has always 25 printed digits, but it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle we always have 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve the puzzle. But for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. Well, could be also a 3 stars. For a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes. Question is this a 3 stars or 4 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row, so the row between. Only place level 3, should be there. 3, 3, okay. Then, let me see, which number can I pick? How about these 4 missing numbers in this big square? 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and the 7. We have 6 and the 7 in this column, so no 6 and the 7 in these 2 boxes. 6 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have 7 in this column. No 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there, so 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing, 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 9 in the last row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Alright. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above, so that row. Only 2 places left, 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Alright. And now, let me see. 5, 5, 5, 5, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 in these 2 boxes. We have a 5 in the last row, no 5 in those 2 boxes. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. Alright. So we have a 5 in the last column, 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the middle row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Alright. Okay. And now, let me see. How about these 6 here? Alright. 4 in the first column. 4 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. Then... Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We have a 4 in the middle row, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. We have 4 in this column, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there. 4, 4, okay. 4, 4. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Then let me see. 6, 6. I need a 9 here. I need 8 here. I need 8 here. I need 8 there. I need a 3 here. Well. Alright. How about Uh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in the second row, no 1 in these 3 boxes. We have a 1 in the middle column, no 1 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left with 1 in this big square. Shoot me there. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row, so in the third row. Only 2 places left with 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the first column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1, 1. Well. 1, 1. Cannot continue with 1 now. I need to wait. How about... I need a... 3, 1, 3, 7, 5. Need a 9 here. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next. Only place level 9. Shoot there. 2 numbers left now in this column. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 1 goes there. Alright. Then, we have all the 4s. No. Need a 4 here. Need a 4 there. Alright. 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 2. We have a 2 in the first column, no 2 in these 3 boxes. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Shoot there. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have 2 in the last column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 6 and 7. And now 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of them missing number is the 7. We have 7 in this column, no 7 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 could be here, could be there. 7. Come on. 5 and 8. Yeah. 9. 9. Need a 9 here. Well. Come on. 2 in the last column, 2 in that column, so the column between. Only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the third row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 in this box. So 2 could be here, could be there. 2 in the first row, 2 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so no 2 there, 2 should be there. Alright, 2. Cannot continue with the 2 now. How about 3? We have a 3 in this column. 3 in that middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places left for the 3. Goes together with the 2 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place left for 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 4 in the first row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the third row, so the row between the second row. The only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in the last column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 4. How about the 1 now? 1 in this column, third column, 1 in the second column, so the first column. Only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 1. And I want 3. No. 3. Need 3 here. Wait. There's 7 here. Wait. Yeah. 7. Need 3 here. Need a 3 there. Need a 5 here, 5 and 8. Come on, come on, come on, come on. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 here. And I need a 9 here. 9, 9, no. No, 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 no. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, need an 8 there. Yeah. 8, 7, 9. I'm thinking. Come on. Thinking. What's happening? 7 in one of those two boxes in the last column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only two places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7, there's 7, should be there. So 2 numbers left in the first row, 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing and 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. Oh, wait. 8 and 9 here. 9 and 3. Then let me think. 2, 2, 2. Need a 3 here. 3 and need a 3 here. Need a 3 there. Come on. Need a 7 here. 7 and a 6. Yeah. Thinking. 6, 6. Need 6 here. This one is not easy. 9. Could be also a 9 here. Well, let me put some numbers. This is taking too long. 6 in this row. 6 in that row. So the row between middle row. Only 2 places left for the 6. Could be here, could be there. 7 in this row. 7 in the middle row. So the row below. Only 2 places left for the 7. Could be here, could be there. Well, we have here 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 in these 3 boxes. We have a 9 in the third column, no 9 in those 3 boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. We have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So this box cannot be a 9 anymore. We have here 8 and a 9. So the 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. Alright. We got you 8. 4 missing numbers in this big square, one of the missing numbers in 8. We have 8 in this last row, so no 8 in this box. We have 8 in the second column, so no 8 in that box. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the first column, 8 in the second column. So the third column, only 3 places left on 8 should be here, or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there, so the 8 could be here, could be there. Alright. Now. 1, 2. I need a 2 here. 2 in this column. 2 in the third column. So the column between the second column. Now only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, or there. We have 2 in this row. No 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, need a 5 here. Come on. This is taking too long. 8 in this row, first row, 8 in the second row. So the third row, the only 3 places left on 8 should be here, or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there, so the 8 could be here, could be there. Well, 3 missing numbers in this big square, one of the missing numbers in 8. We have 8 in this column, so no 8 there. So, and we have 8 in this row, no 8 there. So the only place left for 8 in this big square should be there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with 8. We have 8 now in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with 8. We already have 8 in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. Overlooked. So 1 is left in this row for the I believe the 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. Oh wait, overlooked. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 and 2. 3 is missing. And the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. Well, cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. Alright. 9, 7, and 6. 7 and the 6. Okay. Well, I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 8. We have 8 now in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. Okay, 2, 3, and then need a 5 here. Yeah. Okay. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 6, and a 9. Yeah, need a 9 here. We need a 3 in this big square. We have a 3 in the last column, so no 3 there. So 3 could be here, could be there. We have a 9 in this row, 9 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left on the 9 goes together with the 3 as a pair. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. So 1 is left in this big square for the, I believe the 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 6 in the third row, first row, 6 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Mark those two mark earlier. These 2 boxes with a 6. We have a 6 in the third column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and I've eliminated here the 9, so the 9 goes there, and I've eliminated here the 7, so the 7 goes there. Here I've eliminated also the 2, so the 2 goes here. Alright, 2 to 3, we have 2 now in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square, for numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5, we have a 5 in the middle row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Alright, 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left on 3 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For the rest, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5, the 7, 5, the 7. We have a 7 in the third column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, the 5 goes there. Well, 1 box left now in this second column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. And 2 numbers left in this big square. For the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Cannot fill this yet. Here, 9 and a 3. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 3 goes in there. 3 and a 9, we have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes in there. The 9 in this column, the 9 in the column next, so the last column, the only 2 places left for the 9 goes together with the 7. 9 and the 7, 9 and the 7, we have a 9 in the last row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. And the final 2 numbers, 6 and the 7. We have 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Wow. Well. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 50 minutes. Otherwise, it will be a 1 star. So let me give this a 2 stars. And I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll see you in a minute with the last puzzle. Regular puzzle for this afternoon. The Killer Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.